Hey everyone, welcome to yet another episode of Pythonic View. Today we're going to be talking about a cool new trick for Python developers. So first things first, let's say you have a list of elements. And if you want to check out each item in the list and say you're a beginner, you're probably going to use some sort of for loop. So you may do something like that, and then you can print out what the list look like. And this will get the job done. You'll be able to see this being enumerated, right? 1A, 2B, 3C. But this is not what you're going to do if you're a more experienced developer. So a more advanced method is to use the enumerate method. So when you run your for loop, wrap the list of elements in the enumerate method, and then you can print out the index as well as the value. Boom, just like that. And if you want to be even more fancy about it, you can actually remove this I plus 1 and just leave it as I and have this enumerate start with a number 1. And this can actually be any integers. With that being said, you can run again, and it will give you just the same thing. And as you can see, with this method, it's much more cleaner, and it gets the job done. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like.